In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to group your tasks clearly and move them into the right place so your project stays organized and easy to manage. Think of sections in Asana as the backbone of your project. They're simple headers that divide your work into meaningful buckets, helping everyone see where things stand at a glance. You can group by phase like to do, in progress, and done, or by project components such as design, development, and review. And the key is to choose categories that match how your team actually works. If your process is linear, phases work best. If your project has multiple work streams running in parallel, components might be a better fit. Keep section names short, consistent, and action-oriented so it's obvious what belongs where. When you open a project in list view, sections appear as bold headers and tasks sit underneath each one. In board view, sections show up as columns and tasks appear as cards. Both views are just two ways of seeing the same structure, so use whichever helps your team understand the work faster. Once your sections reflect your workflow, place tasks in the right groups to make progress visible. You can do this simply by dragging and dropping tasks under the appropriate section name. In list view, click a task and drag it beneath the correct section header. In board view, grab a task card and drop it into the right column. This quick move instantly communicates status or ownership without extra typing, and it keeps the whole project clean and scannable. As the work evolves, keep moving tasks to reflect reality. When a task is ready to begin, drag it from to do to in progress. When it's wrapped up, move it to done. If your sections represent components, shift a task from design to development once the handoff happens. This habit turns your project into a live dashboard. Anyone opening it can see what's waiting, what's actively being worked on, and what's complete. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Avoid creating too many sections because clutter makes it harder to scan. Use clear, agreed upon names across projects so teammates don't have to relearn your system. And review your sections occasionally to make sure they still match how your team executes. That's it. Group your tasks into meaningful sections and then drag and drop them as work progresses. With those two practices, your Asana projects will stay organized, transparent, and easy to manage.